Yes guys, hey, welcome back to Poultry Farm. East West, home is the best. We come again from the farm. As we can see here, I have eggs. Like this egg, guys, believe what? Inside are two, and I need to tell you why you should raise your chick like this so that they can give you two yolks. And I'll go to divide these eggs, and you see I don't lie. Wait and take and spoon and plate so that I can come and you see what I am telling you is true. So guys, I bring plate and knife and spoon, and here you can see I don't have any eggs. And I want to tell you how you can make your chick lay one eggs but two double yolk inside. Let's do like this. You see guys, I only have one eggs, but inside, come and see guys, the truth is double yolk. You see, one, two, there are two. Let me cut so that you can see very well. So guys, here you can see we have two double yolk. This is one and another are inside here. So watch until the end so that you can learn more how you can raise your chick until they give you two double yolk. But this I will enjoy. So guys, to get two double yolk in one eggs, you must follow this procedure so that your chick can give you a nice result. First of all guys, the truth is you must raise your chick in a high quality or in a high standard. You must know from day one to 4 months and a half or to 5 months until 6 months, you give your chick better food, treated water, you clean the house, the chick coop, you do everything the best so that you are believing after the end they'll come to give you what you need. How you can make that step? First of all, you need to sit down before you bring your chick. You light. Each chick will consume how many grams? When you get, each chick will consume how many grams until they grow. That will be nice for you, all a nice advice to start the poultry. Sometimes people go through poultry farm, they don't know anything, they only say I like to do farming. The truth is the farm, you can't say you like to do it. No, that is wrong. You must know what you need to do so that after the end they'll give you the profit. But when you say that you will only like to do, you like to do forever and you'll never get an income or you'll never get a profit. Only what in your mind you know is only that I like to do it, but I don't want to do business. So in case you like to go through this business and to get two yolk, one eggs has two yolk, you can make it. True. First of all, when you start raising the chick, let me give you the secret how you can succeed. Maybe you started and you fail. Fail is part of winning. When you fail, you learn more. Don't give up. So when you have, I think some people have already started poultry farm, but they don't know how they can manage, how they can feed. From day 1 to day 7, you need to give your chick 13 grams per day. 2 weeks, you'll increase by 6. You'll give your birds 19 grams each chick until they reach 120 grams of food, so that they will start giving you a result. At 100 grams, they will start laying eggs, and the eggs which has 2 yolk inside, and the eggs which are yellow inside, which they look like local chick, but it's a commercial chick. You understand? So you must know how you take the care of the chick. And the chick coop, they must be clean. As you go inside, you can even sleep. You can even enjoy life with the chick inside. When you are sitting and see your chicken eating, probably you feel nice. But it's not the place where you can go only like toilet. You go and you come out faster. That will never succeed in this life of raising the chick, of to succeed in life. And every day I need to inspire people outside that farm pay, agriculture pay. No matter they take a lot of time to invest, they take a lot of time to think, to learn, but believe what? After the end, they will give you result. And this is the broken eggs which I put here, so I don't mix. Yes, like now I collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I think they will reach like 15 now. Then I will go inside. That is how I tell you the poultry farm pay. If only you have vision, you have plan, you have goals, you have your target in life, you can be what you want in life. You see? You can be what you want to be in life. Yes, guys, even myself, I can't say I have a lot of money. When I started this project, even I don't have any shilling. But we agree like brothers, let's do business, let's do partnership. You'll manage like this and this, and me, I'll help to do this and this. And then we agree and we say, let's go through. But we passed through challenge. We failed first of all. The chick which we started them, they failed us. Because we believe that we get eggs. After the end, they started giving us 6% of the eggs. And we sit down, we say, let's sell all of this chick and start. And we start. We decided we never get any money even to buy crops, but we believe that one day we can buy what we need when we invest. We try the best. We sell all the chick we have. After we sell all the chick, we go and we order another chick, which now I collecting these eggs. After we bring the chick, we started raising, but we have only believed that one day this chick, they'll come to lay and they'll come to give us a nice profit. So we put all effort, all energy, we sacrifice time, we sacrifice our sleep, we sacrifice anything we can do, but so that the chick can get a nice food treated water which we put inside medicine, enough water, enough food, and we waited. We be patient a lot, and we say one day, one time we'll come to succeed in this life. We never give up. We wake up every day. We give chick food. The chick can eat, but me, I can be hungry. I don't even see like a big problem. Myself, I can eat one a day, but the chick can eat 3, I sell twice, and enough food. And now when you are seeing I arrange these eggs, don't see like you are dreaming. It's the really fact that when you believe and when you have passion in this life, when you have target, no matter you are poor, no matter you are nothing, but when you have vision to reach destination, you will try and you'll fall, but you'll never give up. You try, you fall, you try, you fall, but believe what, one day you come to succeed. That is what I can tell you today. The time is now. In case you are 20s, 30s, 18, and you are outside, you have the dream, your dream. I can't say you must raise the chick so that you can succeed. No. Your dream, when you have your dream and you believe the dream you have can make you to be a big person in the world, you will. But when you have the dream and you don't focus on your dream, you'll die poor. So wake up now and start chasing your dream, so that when you reach 50, 40s, you'll enjoy what you did when you were young. But when you reach 40, you think that you will be managed to get rich. You can't. The time of working is when you are young, when you have power, when you are strong to learn, to dance, to chase life. That is how you can succeed in this life. But when you are waiting to get old so that you can invest, nothing. Start from now. Start from now so that you can gain after the end. Every day I need even to inspire one person outside, and I tell you that poultry farm pay. Poultry farm pay a lot. Right now you see I collect a lot of eggs, and every day they will increase, and they will never stop laying until lifespan. That is, they live 2 years. 2 years and collect everyday eggs. See how they give you profit. Maybe different from disease. Sometimes disease can come and kill. Yes, but I believe I'll take everything nicely until they give me a nice result after the end. Welcome. We survive together, we grow together, and we enjoy life together through farming, or through another business. That's what we need, guys. That is not what we need. In this life, you must chase, you must struggle, so that you gain. I come from far and now I can smile. When I am seeing I take eggs, I arrange in crate and people order like this, all of them I sell yesterday. So the owner will come and take. Maybe they'll pay money for that more. You see how she give you a lot of money. Even I don't have time to go on the market to sell. The owner, they will come and they will give me eggs because now it's not mine. Now it's for the people outside. If it's mine, I can't even eat one crate and finish. No, it's not mine. Maybe mine is this which has broken like 2, 3, so that I can fry maybe 2 and enjoy. But this which I am arranging here, I'll finish and I'll call the owner to take. That is how I am telling you that farm pay and give you a lot of energy, and you believe that one day you'll come to reach somewhere. It is hard, but it is sweet after the end. The starting point is hard, but the end point is nice. Hey guys, wow, amazing. And we continue thanking God for everything I did to us. Oh, like that. The time when I started telling you that agriculture is successful, some people maybe does believe, but now you can believe, you can witness that this give you a lot of smile. Let me count and we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is the first round. I'll go another round. Maybe I'll get, but today I believe I'll collect a lot, and that it is what we need when we started raising the chick. Wow. So guys, let's see how they give us eggs. So guys, consider subscribing, like and share, and give me a sweet comment how you see about raising chick, how you feel about having the life of farm. No one can come and say, today I need you to do this and this. You'll only say, I will do this and this, and then you'll relax. Life like that, which we need here. And continue subscribing, share and like. I really appreciate for what you are making me. Support to reach 1K subscriber, I really appreciate. And I say may God bless you. Bye.